servants, those who are working in the Egyptian government, and domestic workers. Now, under the new Egyptian Labor Act, law rather,
application of voting
or key elements of the employment contract. Under the old labor law, for foreigners, kayo po ito, kung relevant sa inyo, kung kayo ay may valid working visa, a definite term contract was considered indefinite if both parties continue to fulfill their obligations post-expiry. However, this did not apply to foreign employees whose contracts were terminated upon expiry.
Sa pinasok ko dito ay Salazar. Pero ang ginamit ko dito, alam ng amo ko.
Nag-expire ang inyong kontrata. For example, nag-expire siya ng December 31. Pero continuous ang inyong service sa inyong employer. That is considered as continuing contract. Okay? Pero, dun sa old law, hindi kasali ang foreigners doon. Kasi yung foreigners definite period, once December 31 arrives, then your contract is expired. But under the new law, kasali na po ang foreigners. The new labor law eliminates this exception for foreign employees, meaning that a definite term contract with a foreign employee will now be classified as indefinite if both parties continue to perform their obligations after its expiry. So, hindi po exempted ang foreign employees dito. Sino po yung foreign employees? Anyone working here who is not
may alpha dito eh, katabi lang na.
Next.
Katabi lang nito ng haligun.
A key organ under the new labor law, the specialized labor courts and appellate chambers are to commence operation by October 1, 2025. That's 1 month after the effectivity of the new labor law. They will have a specialized labor court. Okay? Annual raises are now set at 3% of the insured wage, no longer on the 7% base salary. Ulitin ko po, yung increase is 3% from the insured wage, no longer from the 7% base salary. Triggered only upon 1 full year of employment. Yung increase kapag nakasang taon ka na. Ulitin ko yung mga may work permit dito and visa, you can check on that. Your increase is not on the base salary 7% but on the insured 3% of the insured wage.
Ibig sabihin, nataas din pala sa akin ko. Dahil meron ako ano sa amo ko.
And restrict non-Egyptians from specific sectors. A work permit system will cover select foreign investors without residency. Work permit fees now range from 5,000 to 150,000 Egyptian pounds. Moreover, employers must report foreign workers absent for more than 15 consecutive days without justification. Next.
Ako rin dito rin ako magaling.
These are very important for leave entitlements, just like the Philippines.